friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Dhruvi here. Okay, I have done previously also like 5-minute craft hacks. That was only one, but today I'm going to do 5 or 4. So we'll just see today, and I hope you like my video and do subscribe and click on that like button. So yeah, without wasting time, we'll go into the video. Okay guys, I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section if I have done something wrong or something in a wrong way, because I was literally very much confused while seeing those videos and doing it by myself. But then also I have tried my best on this. Yeah, do subscribe. Bye bye. See you in next video.